Hello, my name is Antonio Comersatu. You can call me Tony. I am studying program S1 Mechanic Engineering. A motor is the drive the converts electric energy in mechanic energy. Typical to produce rational medium, such as programming, mechanism, efficiency, features, and more. How a motor works? Electric current. Electric current volts through the motors within coils of wire in magnetic and magnetic field around the coils. Magnetic intercoil, the magnetic field for the coils inside with a perimeter magnetic or under magnetic field with the motor. This creates a for the cause the rotor and rotating part of the motors to turn. Rotate as the rotor. Thus, mechanical engineering is produced with and can be asked to perform work such as turning and fan driving and wheel offering and pump. Motor, DC motors, ice drive current, DC, electric. They are simple as to control and order as is small, efficient and visuals. AC motors, as electric current, AC electric. They are commonly as in household appliances, industrial machinery, and leisure applications. In essence, a motor is radical different in converting electric power in medium driving and with range of mechanical and with range of machine and system. Thank you.